Hey guys, so today I am installing this 24-inch wear and go pre-cut 6x4 lace frontal wig. So this wig kind of reminds me of like the wig like from back in the day where it's a breathable cap and it does come with limited lace, again a 6x4 lace, but the lace is already cut, and then it also comes with like this, I don't know what you call it, but it's like a stretchy band in the back, but it's no straps in the back. So you won't be able to adjust the back, but it does come with like these elastic bands on the wig where if you need to make some adjustments and make the wig tighter, you can definitely do so. This wig does have a good amount of stretch in it, so girl, it is big head friendly. Girl, it is big head friendly, so if you got a little bit more head, then this wig will definitely still suit you, even though it does not have like the traditional adjustable straps in the back. So I'm gonna go ahead and flip this wig on like so, and it's already given melted. I did not do anything to this hairline or this wig just yet. One thing that I'm loving about these put on and go or wear and go type of wig situations is the simple fact that the lace is already cut. Like, we already know cutting the lace and doing all the extra stuff to the lace to get it to look good is a whole process, child, and most of us ain't got time for it no more, or is simply over it. So I am here for the trend of the pre-cut lace where you ain't got to worry about cutting no lace no more. So anyways, girl, let's go ahead and jump into the install. So even though this wig is extremely breathable and stretchy, the wig really does fit snug on my head, which is really surprising. And as you can see, the lace definitely melts into the skin without having to really apply any type of holding spray, glue, gel, or whatever you would typically use to secure your wig. But girl, it's just a habit for me. So I'm going to go in with some holding spray, of course. And I just like the extra melted look. And of course, it's just a mental thing too, just to make sure the wig ain't going nowhere. So I am pulling out some baby hairs just a little bit because you can't do a whole lot of baby hairs with this type of wig because the amount of lace is limited. So also, like with pulling out some of the baby hairs too, like if you decide to apply holding spray with securing your wig down, this also keeps the hairline from being crunchy. Like, I say this so much in some of my previous videos. It's because like if you go directly in the hairline with hairspray, your hairline is going to be so crunchy and so hard. So girl, pull out some of those hairs and push your hairline like into the spray, and like it's just gonna leave your hair so much more smoother. It's gonna like emphasize the pre-plucked hairline. Like, trust me girl, it's gonna look so much better. Do this. Y'all, like, I'm not even gonna hold y'all. This pre-cut hairline or this pre-cut lace on these wigs is not a game. Like, it is definitely a game changer. It saves a couple minutes, I would say, on the install, and even saves more on the install when the lace comes pre-plucked and the knots come pre-bleached, which I want to say this wig came with all of that because I don't remember having to do anything with this wig. Now the density on this wig is 150% and the length on this wig is 24 inches, which I think I mentioned earlier in the video, but I'm going to say it again just in case I didn't say it earlier. So anyways, girl, I'm going to do like some big fluffy curls with this hair and try my best not to cut it because y'all know I really don't like long hair. It gets on my nerves, child. It just be too much hair. But one thing I will say about this particular hair is for it to be 24 inches, it is really, really full. I'm not used to like this type of length being this full. So girl, yes, let me throw some curls in here. Oh girl, and your girl dropped the bag on this curling iron, honey. So I picked up the T3 curling iron. This is not like the latest model. I think the latest model is like almost $400, $350 or something like that. Girl, who doing that? Not me. I already paid, I think like $149, $169, almost $200 basically for this damn curling iron. I mean, it's okay. I like that it doesn't leave my hair smelling burnt. So that's why I really had to upgrade. Like the Conair curling iron that I used to use, it didn't leave my hair smelling burnt, but it would take a long time. No, it wouldn't even take a long time. Let me stop lying. Girl, I just had it for way too long and it was just time to upgrade. And I like the white, and I noticed that stylists that had it, it didn't really turn color. So I was like, let me just try it out. But girl, I like it so far. I just don't think it's worth the price. I definitely think it is overpriced. But anyways, honey, curling my hair and curling it going away from my face, of course, because I like the flowy curl look. So yeah, girl. So it probably took me like 10 minutes to curl my hair. Honestly, I think I should have gotten a smaller curling iron. I forgot what size I got, but it's definitely not a 1 inch. And I can tell because my curls are way too loose, and I don't like my curls to be this loose right after curling my hair. So I should have got a 1 inch curling barrel, which I'll go back and just get a different size. But anyways, girl, yes, super cute. Love the flow, love the bounce in the hair. I did have to go in and emphasize the part, of course, like I do in all my wigs. If you're not new to my channel, then child, you know the routine. You know how I get down. I do the same stuff all the time, pretty much. But it works for me, and I get the flawless install every single time. So yes, girl, this is pretty much the final look to this beautiful, long, fluffy hair. This was a super quick, easy, and convenient install. Definitely love like these pre-cut lace wig situations, girl. Don't have to do a whole lot. Don't take a lot of my time. These are the wigs that I am really gravitating more towards because they're just super easy to install. So anyways, make sure you check out UniceHair. All the details, coupon codes, and all that good stuff will be below in the description bar. Bye, guys.